Hello, so we've just unboxed the iPhone 17 Pro Max earlier today. Hopefully you've seen that video. If not, I'll leave a link in the description. But now, just arrived are the AirPods Pro 3. So let's take a look at the AirPods Pro 3 unboxing. Flip them over, same as all other Apple packaging these days. You just give it a rip and we give it a rip. So moving in, let's get the box off. Apple's paperwork, as usual, can go into there. And we've got the AirPods Pro 3. Here is the AirPods Pro 3. This is the AirPods Pro 2 next to it. First glance, very, very similar, but straight off the bat, the AirPods Pro 3 case is definitely larger. And just to round out the rest of the packaging, no cable anymore. Apple, more stinginess. So no cable anymore, but they have given us more ear tips. I believe there are 5 ear tips this time, so 4 in the packaging here, and then 1 obviously on the AirPods themselves. I'm usually the medium ones anyway, the ones that come pre-installed, so hopefully that should be fine. So taking a look around the case, so yes, I have put my name onto these because when your wife has the same headphones, it's really easy to mix them up. So I put my name on these, and yeah, I'm not really normally one kind of person that engraves things, but I thought it would be a good idea. So taking a quick look around the case, and in comparison to the AirPods Pro 2, the case is a little bit taller on the AirPods Pro 3, and it's also a tiny bit thicker just there as well. So width is about the same, so they're about the same width there, but yeah, overall slightly bigger case, and I guess that's probably to do with the change in the design of the way that the buds actually look. So flipping them open, they're probably going to try and connect to my phone, but I will do that later. Right, so going around the case, you've still got the USB-C port down there, microphone, speaker for Find My and whatever else. You've also got the lanyard hole. There's no button on the back anymore. I believe you just have to double tap the front. And on the front as well, you can see there's a status light on the AirPods Pro 2. The status light is now behind the plastic, so it will shine through just when it needs to, rather than having a dot there. So visual differences, obviously the case is a tiny bit bigger. Otherwise, they look virtually identical, minus the button and the light. Now, flipping open, very similar situation where you've got the 2 earbuds inside. They do look slightly different and they do feel slightly different, but not much in it. The magnetic pull is just as strong as before. If I flip open the AirPods Pro 2, you can see that right, some subtle differences between the 2, but not a lot. There's some repositioning of some of the black parts, and also obviously these have, the AirPods Pro 3 now have a heart rate sensor as well, which is interesting. Now let's just take out the 2 left earbuds. The shape here is ever so slightly different on these, on the AirPods Pro 3 versus the AirPods Pro 2. You can see that if I'm holding them in the same direction, these point a bit more forward, whereas these point a bit more off to the side. It's subtle, but it's definitely there. This grill at the top has been increased in size. That's a different size now completely. I believe that's where the heart rate sensor is, and that's obviously missing on the AirPods Pro 2. So size-wise, look-wise, very, very similar, but subtle differences and sort of increase in the sensor sizes and the holes for the microphones, that kind of thing. The new ones will do 8 hours on a single charge. These did 6. I believe the old ones went up to 30 hours total use, and these go to 24. So overall, you've actually got slightly lower battery life, but I think most of us will be quite happy with getting 8 hours because, a transatlantic flight is around 7 to 8 hours for the most part. And the AirPods Pro 3 now should see you through the whole flight without any problem. Other than that, very few differences. They are claiming the world's best noise cancelling. Again, I don't know whether these are the world's best noise cancelling. I haven't actually listened to them yet, but I will be testing these out very thoroughly and comparing them to the AirPods Pro 2 over the next couple of weeks. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to see that video when it drops. And Other than that, very little difference. I guess there is another change, which is in the ear tips themselves. The ear tips now have a slightly different makeup on the inside. There is a cushion, there is a sort of foam, more sort of a foam padding inside the silicone, which there wasn't before. Similar, you might have seen some foam ear tips, which really seal off your ears. They are better for noise cancelling, but they do sort of provide that pressure on your ears, which is not so good for long listening. So I will see. These are kind of a bit of a hybrid between the two, where you've got just the plain silicone tips, and then you've got the silicone encased foam tips on the new AirPods Pro 3. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we will do some sound testing, listening to them both side by side, see which ones are better, and that will be out in a video very, very soon. Also, later today, the AirPods Pro 3 have arrived, but the Apple Watch Ultra 3 has not yet arrived, so stay tuned to the channel for the video when that drops. Anyway, catch you in the next one. Thanks. One other thing which I forgot to say, these new ones support live translation, so we will be testing that out. And I don't know what languages that will work with, but I am taking a trip to Montreal very soon, and I will see if I can speak to someone there who speaks French. I don't, and we'll see if we can have a conversation across the AirPods.